Yep, RJ, you finally got in the top 3. How about you, Sergio? Do you do what RJ does? Do you pre-enter your price targets? Yes, I do. Sergio does what RJ does. Like, I think the dog is in here snoring. That's what it was. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, there he is snoring. Okay. All right, I feel like I'm forgetting one thing, and it's probably to label up these things. I guess that's probably. Go. Labeled up. Two slots. Ader's day is today. That's what somebody just said. No, let me see. Nope. Well, good morning, everybody. So it looks like the market slid down a little bit overnight, and Fridays are generally weaker trading days because there's a percentage of people who leave the office early, leave the trading desk early for that 3-day vacation or 4-day vacation. And therefore, then there's a whole nother cluster of other people who trade lightly on Fridays because of that. And it's a domino effect. And Fridays and Mondays are low volume. So the market's down a little bit and it's low volume. And thank you very much for the likes, guys, over on TikTok. Thank you. We're already hitting 150, 160. Thank you very much for the likes. Don't forget to send diamonds. There's like this competition going on TikTok right now. If you can get a weekly ranking, if you get a lot of diamonds, I don't know if you can spare any, but if you can, if you're feeling like in the giving mood, send over some diamonds. It's not so much that I need them, but it helps boost the ranking. So that's really cool. And that's what we appreciate. And then, I can even give them back to you later if you do a live. All right. So this morning, the market is pulling back, and it's going inside of yesterday. So we probably will have an inside day today. We may even potentially break yesterday's low. It's possible, and it still wouldn't be bad because between yesterday and the day before, they were both green days of positivity. And we just stay within that range, then nothing changes. It means nothing. So it's just range, right? It is designed when that happens to shake out shorter term traders out of their positions. and then it becomes a really good buying opportunity. So perhaps today, later in the session or midday, the market will have sagged enough for you to be able to put some more of your cash on the market, which is great because I still have about 50% of my cash unallocated. ICLK, or do you mean ICLN? K is near N. Maybe you mistyped. So we have that going on, and then oil has dropped from 73.5 all the way to 72.9 right now, and so that's going to pull the market down as well, and definitely energy sector getting hit the worst because of that. Tech probably down the most. Pre-market tech, it's almost breaking yesterday's low. Tech is already touching and playing around with yesterday's low. All right, thank you for the gifts there. Now accepting diamonds. If you guys over on TikTok want to send over diamonds, it helps with the weekly ranking they're doing now. It's a weekly ranking competition. You found some red bread this morning, and on the 1D is looking fine. Not sure what you meant by all that. Jamal says, I'm a little above my weekend goal, and Friday hasn't even begun. So going to paper trade unless I see a great setup. Perfect. Be like Jamal, everybody. Fuck. If everybody could just do what Jamal just said, man, we'd be a wealthier nation. Did you hear that? I'm a little above my weekend goal, and Friday hasn't even begun. So I'm going to paper trade unless I see a great setup. Good Lord. Be like Jamal, guys. That's all I got to say about that. No. Jamal's usually bad, RJ good, but we want be like RJ, be like Jamal. Currently heavy in SPY calls. So yesterday we got Costco lotto calls in case earnings popped, and they did. We also got Nike lotto puts in case Nike had bad earnings, and they did. And I got into AFRM, and that puppy keeps going this morning. It's a bit hot. We'll see where it goes. I'm not in any SPY calls right now, but somebody just said that they're in SPY calls, didn't they? I think they did. That's not good because the market's going to be opening down. You undegenerate non-gambler. That's funny. What's up, Nelson? What's up? FedEx is dropping. Whoops, I typed FedEx. FDX. Yeah, FedEx had bad earnings, dropped, and that didn't change. They didn't suddenly have good earnings. So not sure what your problem with understanding that is. FedEx, not good right now. Should you buy Zevo? Zevo's hot this morning. We're going to see if it'll break out of 751. If it breaks 751, we'll get in for $1 of risk. That is a momentum trade that we have on the radar. Looks pretty good too. MDP may grind and run and appreciate throughout the day today, so that could be a potential call, good for calls on MDP. You're thinking Ader will make a comeback. Well, it doesn't matter what you think. And by the way, it's not going to. The Qs are just down. They've been reamed this morning. Poor old Qs. Rates are up. That's why tech is down, probably. Financials and industrials took less of a hit than the other sectors because of that. AMD long, thoughts on AMD long? Yeah, fine if you hold it for a long time, like maybe life or a year or more. All right, we have the market opening in 19 minutes On the radar, we have AFRM, UFAB, UFAB, Capper, CAPR, Zivo, ZIVO, MDP, VTVT, and AEHR. And now we're going to refresh the market chameleon and see if there's anything else on the radar. So at the moment, we still have Zivo, MDP, Capper, AEHR. And then on the most active side, we've got Zivo, UFAB, VTVT, IMRN. IMRN, that's one that we do not have up. There we go. Now it's up. And IMRN, 721,000 shares. Yeah, it doesn't look too promising. I'll put it down at the bottom of the screen. Capper, AEHR, ICLK. There's that one you were talking about. ICLK. Up from 5.7 to 6.3. The reason why we don't like ICLK so much, Todd, is because it's not up very much. That's it, plain and simple. Like, do you always bet on sixth place? Like, you know, this is why we go after the number one largest pre-market gainer, and it's usually on the highest volume because that's going to be the stallion, you know. So then we move down to something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th place ICLK, and it's only up 8% on 500,000 volume. And you can already make the prediction that it's not going to perform as well, or it's not going to have as much potential, even if it did, right? So FYI, that's why we picked the super dupers. Looks like the Nike Lotto puts went well. Yes, sir. Check out CEI. Everybody on TikTok, how you doing? Good morning. Make sure you click like a whole bunch of freaking times. Let's get the stream up. And if you have any diamonds to donate, send them over. Send over some diamonds. There's a weekly ranking going on. If we can get enough diamonds, then we can get into the rankings. And it is possible. We have a pretty popular stock trading stream. A lot of people are like, man, I didn't even know there was stock trading on TikTok. Everything's on TikTok. Everything's on TikTok. Thank you. Kelly, was it? It's not Karen. I know that. All right. We're already up to about 10,000 likes. All right. You guys over on TikTok, click the link in my bio in order to come join our trading community. Be awesome to see you in our trading group every morning. What company should you invest in? LMT. What's up with TDOC? PTGX. TDOC. TDOC's going down to the ground, unfortunately. PGTX, you said. That was a couple days ago. That was kind of hot. LPTX, maybe that's what you said? Yeah. LPTX still looking pretty okay. Last couple days. ILUS. What's up with BlackBerry? Absolutely nothing. Nothing has changed on BlackBerry. Your kid has a small cold, so I have her hitting the likes on the TikTok for you. Oh, thank you. Was that you all morning yet, Mark? That's great. He's probably like, oh, Dad. Your dad, Mark Gabrielli, is an awesome dude. All right, Mark. You can give me $100 later. Did I have this service before TikTok? Well, before I was on TikTok, yes, but not before TikTok was invented. TikTok's been out for a while. It was actually Musical.ly originally. I really like where TikTok has evolved to, because fuck, I wouldn't be on Musical.ly. Oh, excuse me, daughter of Mark. Don't ever swear. Buddy, can we get Zivo for $10 box today? What's your opinion? Zivo, yeah, I think it could do that if it breaks 750, but only if it breaks 750. So don't be in Zivo unless it breaks 750. We're all in this together. If it breaks 750, bye. The thing's going to shoot way up. Zivo, ZIVO. They're definitely not subliminal. ICLK. All right, let me put ICLK up here. Yeah, is there Mr. Freely? Initials IP. Is there an IP? Is there a Mr. Freely there? 1 second. Hold on. Let me check. Everybody, is there a Freely? IP Freely? Hey, kid. Who is this? No, ICLK, not IP Freely. What would be the right price for MDP entry? MDP's already, you should just get in. You just got to figure out your risk. You're too late. Like $2 of risk on MDP. MDP is just grinding up, and it just went up another $1.50. But I think it's gonna be good for calls, so you can get your leverage. Otherwise, buy a lot of shares. Calculate your 1%, $2 of risk. IP Freely says futures are down 150. Why are we watching Zevo today? Because it's flipped out pre-market, and we don't know why or care. It's on the radar, has a very nice shape chart-wise, a lot of demand, and if it can break 750 when the market opens, it can run further, and you put your money in it, and it goes up, and you sell, take partial profits, and you make money, and it's simple, and you don't have to rack your brain about, did they create the cure for pimples or what? Dump and dumper. Oh, that's great, Marcus. I like that. You guys over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio to join our trading community. And in there, you can see this exact same stream, but 4K. And we've got a lot more picks here. We're monitoring a couple other parts of the market, other tickers. OZSC. I have not heard about that one. OZSC. Oh, penny stock just grinding to the ground. Dead. Should you sell BlackBerry? Let's see. Not quite yet, but if it starts going down, yeah. Especially if it drops below yesterday's low, absolutely get out. But, it's pretty much going sideways. Oh, we got the Ricey crowd now, huh? Oh, that's Jackson. Jesus. You're falling for the Rolls Royce pumps? No, Rolls Royce shit. And almost bankrupt. Crazy but true. Man, Jackson, don't become a bottom feeder. Look at this. Agilent. It's going up and up and up and up and up. Put your money on that and don't look back. Don't be that guy, Jackson. I got a buddy. He said the thing, the blah, blah, blah. Unless he's a fucking goddamn Stephen Hawking in a wheelchair fucking genius, don't listen to him. 40% in the past few weeks. Don't be looking for those things, man. Don't be looking for flea jumps, bottom feeding crap. They come with unreliability and uncertainty and high risk and low probability. Fuck that. Stay out of that. Can you just find something that's going up for a year and invest in that instead? Can you start to fall in love with stuff like that instead of these beaten down pump and dump story bullshit I heard from a friend stocks? Fuck. Jackson, we got to turn you around. Come on, man. Have your morning coffee. All right, you guys over on TikTok. Give me some likes, give me some diamonds, because we're in this weekly competition ranking right now, and he who gets the most diamonds gets ranked. If you can spare some diamonds, if you like this stream, do it. Go over to my profile, click the link in my profile, come join our trading community. All right, we'll be cutting off this stream in 9 minutes when the market opens. What are diamonds? I guess you buy them, or you get them from friends, or you earn them, and they're TikTok currency, if you will. diamonds, and then you can gift them to people. Kind of like a tip, I guess, is what it is. It doesn't really become like a substantial amount. Like for me, it maybe adds up to $10 in a month or something. So it's not like I'm asking you for that because I'm asking for money. I really don't care. What we're trying to do is, if you appreciate the stream, send the diamonds because it'll increase the rankings. That's what we're looking for. If I had 5,000, yes, AFRM. Any chance Be Big will move up in a few weeks? Yeah, I'll give you the probability on that. Maybe 25% probability. TikTok needs to have a thing where you can earn coins through a game or just time watching videos. Well, they do have a TikTok creator fund, and views do equal revenue. But it really is dismal unless you're a pretty, maybe a million follower account or more. BNGO, let's see. BNGO is pretty sideways and in a downtrend. So you wouldn't want to be looking there for opportunity. What's up, good people? General Motors to you all. You caught that, did you? What ship is stuck in a California port? Is Vanessa in here? I'm going to kill her if she's not. She's not. That bitch. Vanessa, get your ass in here. That traitorous, backstabbing, turn her back to you, and not be in your live stream. BI. Anyway, naked. I know Emma's in here. You better be in here, Emma. If you're not in here, oh, we got a problem. There she is. Emma's in here. Hollow chain. Yeah, I don't know about what that is. But we're looking at Zevo. Zevo, if it breaks 750. Is Zevo halted? No, it's not showing halted on my end. Zevo has traded 13, almost 14 million shares pre-market already. So very hot, a lot of potential there. MDP is back at 56 if you want to get in. That's a pretty good entrance there at 56. Why does China keep screwing over its crypto community? Because they don't want their people to have a non-governmental controlled money. Yeah, maintain supremacy of the yuan or whatever you call it. Okay, you don't get Zevo unless it breaks 750. There's that Only Natural Diamonds commercial again, and I keep missing it. And I wonder if it's that BRLT stock. I have to have a cough drop. Commie bastards. Okay, yeah, Anthony. And Vanessa still didn't come in. Ooh, that was really cool. There's fireworks. Who the hell sent the fireworks? That was awesome. Thank you. You must just go around lives throwing fireworks. Well, it works. You got my attention. What, Mark? Oh, was it your daughter that sent that? The risk on Zevo will be $1. And yes, it had been said. Shoe is in play. Let's go, Steve Madden. SHOO is Shoe. All right, let me see. Shoe isn't doing jack shit. Oh, are you just joking? Oh, by the way, I was at 212% when I wrote that comment. Whoa, here's a pearl with jellyfish. That was really cool. I have to say, as meaningless as all that stuff is, it's actually kind of nifty when it happens. Thank you very much. 7.51, Edon. 7.51. Plug. Let's see. No, it's downtrend, just like FCell. Whoa, what is that? I think your daughter must be sending these, Mark. I think she's spending all of your money. No, it's not. I don't think it's your daughter. It's another person, user, etc., etc., etc. Sent us shooting stars. That was you. Oh, that was awesome. A beaver and sunglasses. I mean, this is crazy fun. Yeah, Jordan Belfort. The top left has a heart, and the more likes you send, it fills it up and sends that weird stuff. Okay. The buy point for AEHR, woo, there's like these people applauding now or something, is 15.6 on AEHR. Zivo will be 7.51 for $1 of risk. ICLK will be 6.3 for just 25 cents of risk. MDP is already back up to 57 now if you got in at 56. Thanks for that cool heart thing. AFRM, if it breaks 131.76, that'll be pre-market high break. And we can get in for about $4 a risk. Everybody's sending all these weird things. There's a money printer. VT, it's got to break 244. And Capper's got to break 645. UFAB needs to break 4.1. And that's where we're at. BB, BlackBerry needs to break 11. Okay, that's funny. Philip Seymour Hoffman came back from his death to be your best Wall Street bro. A lot of people say I look like Philip Seymour Hoffman. I don't know. I don't particularly see it, but a lot of people say that. So it is a thing, I guess. There's a folded dragon gift paper crane. How does Joby look pre-market? It's at where it closed yesterday, so it has potential to run again. But I don't think anyone's trading it. So it's not where the volume is. It's not where the attention is. It's not where the momentum is. Sunglasses. Can you take a look at ear? Oh yeah, I heard something happened. Yeah, yesterday. So what do you want to know? I mean, it's total utter crap now. It's in the dumps. Do you like picking shitty stocks to put your money in so that your money goes down more in value? Well, then get in ear. You look like this stock guy on TikTok. I watch his Zooms. Joseph, are you bag holding what? What's the play on MDP at the open? No, nothing. We have a normal strategy. I mean, if you want to wait for the open, okay. Then you're going to get it at 57.8. All right, here we go. Let's watch Zivo tightly. If market is going to be opening in 25 seconds, if Zivo breaks 7.51, you can get in for $1 of risk. MDP's already running. This is something that you might be able to hold all day. MDP is not necessarily momentum day trading stock. It's just going to go up in value all day, I believe. You know, slowly. And Nike hitting 150. All right. You guys over on TikTok, if you want to join our trading community, click the link in my bio. We're going to be cutting off the stream on TikTok and YouTube in just 1 second here. All right, come on, Zivo, you can do it. Put your back into it. Costco is moving up to the upside. The market in general is just barely grinding up at the open. And you're out of here. Somebody said stop chewing. And my way of saying fuck you is banning them forever from our live streams. You don't tell me or anyone what to do. This is a free country. We don't give a shit what you want us to do. Everybody can do whatever the fuck they want. No, I didn't tell them what not to do. I just said, get out of my zone with your communist socialist bullshit agenda. All right. All right. Report his ass, Faraz said. I don't know, in TikTok. Come on, Zivo, you can do it. And Costco moving up to 460. And Nike moving down to 150. I mean, boy,